All right. Are we waiting for anybody else?
Uh, okay. I don't think anyone will join. It's already 10 minutes past. Um, anything you want to bring up, Michelle? I think so. The TST election, right?
Yes. So I did add a new page for that on the wiki. Timeline would be kicking that off July 1st, just opening it up for nominations. There's two seats up for election. Give it a week for nominations, and then if there's more than two nominations, we would do an election. If there is not more than two, we can just announce the two members.
Okay. Whose term is up now? I think so.
Mahir and Praneeth.
Mahir and Panis. Okay.
Mhm. There's nothing that they can't, they can always be renominated if they want to continue to serve.
Okay.
That's fine. I think Mahir has been renominated like three times in a row now.
Okay. Sure.
So,
I'll check with him. Please.
okay. Can you take a look? I'm looking at, I know we've moved pretty much everything over into GitHub, right?
Yes.
Is it the open chord GitHub org? Is that the primary one now?
No, LF broadband.
Okay. What are we using, if anything, in this one?
Sorry. Uh,
I just dropped it
maybe-
in the chat, sorry. Um, or I can share my screen too. But I can see this
okay.
one. It has Volta stuff in it.
Yes.
Is this still being used in any way?
Yes. I think yes, it's being used. So what happens is we push the code to Gerrit, and Gerrit will somehow push it to GitHub. I don't know how. At this, I'll have to check with Eric only. So I think so that is how it is being synced. So whatever we push to Gerrit LF broadband will get synced to the GitHub.
I thought we were getting rid of Garrett because it costs something.
Yes.
So if
Okay.
we getting rid of Garrett, can we merge this org over with the new LF Broadband GitHub org and sync the code that way?
Yes, the code is synced. I think so. Always. Probably every day or every merge it will be synced. But if we have to bring down Gerrit and use only GitHub, then we'll have to check. Probably Eric would be best to answer that.
Okay, so I don't think I'm on the LF Broadband. Let's stop sharing. Let me check. I don't think I'm on LF Broadband's GitHub organization. Can you add me as an admin, please? And I'll see if I can migrate this over. I'll work with Eric so that we don't have these two different organizations because I think that's confusing.
Yes, correct. Correct. I think so. You have to create an account or something. Can you check if you have access to this?
I well, is there okay, so there isn't a GitHub org for LF Broadband yet?
No, I think no, because I see here it's being synced to GitHub Open Code itself. No, I don't think so. There is anything.
Okay, well, if that's the case, maybe we can just rename the cord one and make that the new LF Broadband GitHub
That
org.
would, yeah, that would do as well, but we'll have to check where all it's being referenced. Like where all we have open code mentioned, we'll have to change it to electron.
Yeah, but that might be easier. Let me connect with Eric on that.
Yeah, Eric would be the best person. Internally, I don't know. I'm
We do
not
need
sure
to
how it.
this does need to be updated. If we're using it, then we should just make this the LF Broadband GitHub org. And I do know we need to get out of Garrett, and so we aren't paying for it anymore. That's fine. I'll schedule time with him to talk about this. I need to get an update from him on the migration anyways for the board. So, um, okay. Okay. Um, Anything else we need to talk about today? Do you have meeting minutes going? You want me to add some?
I had opened, let me check.
Okay.
Um, so I'll skip this for today because we don't have any.
Well, this is May 2020, May 26th. So is that
No,
how?
I've just started editing. I don't know where it is. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, yes.
Ah,
So
gotcha.
we
Okay.
didn't discuss anything about this. So we'll keep it. GitHub actions. Um, few yammas, few patches have been reviewed already.
Yeah, I saw that. It sounds like you've been making progress on that.
Yeah, and merged also probably. I saw a few. Eric merged. A few I have reviewed. I think so. A few. So I can't. So you'll sync up with Eric on this?
Yeah. I think he's at an event today and tomorrow, but I will connect with him on Thursday.
Okay. Okay. Um, so on this events part, I need one review from Safran. After that, we have put this exhaust account has to check. This one also. This ticket has confused. And PSP on the phone.
Yeah. Here's a link to that page too. If you can take a look at the contributors and just see if that's accurate. Usually it's just a list we can pull from, I guess in this case it would be Garrett.
So this one, this list, right? Um,
Just anyone who's made contributions in the last year.
uh,
So some of these, like,
at least the ones I know are here.
yeah, this one.
The nominations are open July 1 to July 8. The 26, the 28. Okay. Anything else, Michelle, on this page
I
on
don't
the
think so.
election?
Just if there's anybody who's contributed that's not on here that we should add.
Mm-hmm. I think so. Okay, let me. Um, can you change this? I think so. This spelling mistake. There's a spelling mistake. ABHAY. This one. I'm not able to edit this suddenly.
Um, maybe H.
ABHAY.
Yeah. Um, Looking at Garrett, it looks like there's Madhumati Gouda from Radisys. I don't think
Yeah, I'm not looking. Yes.
that one.
Let me check.
And then,
Okay. There are a few missing here.
yeah, I think it
I'll
hasn't.
send you the names. I'll send you them.
Okay. And anyone who looks like they haven't contributed, it needs to be removed. Like I removed Joey because obviously he hasn't contributed this year. So,
Yes.
yeah. And we'll flag that when we send the election notice out too, to just let folks know if they're not on there to let us know. But it's good to try to collect an updated list as much as possible ahead of time.
Hmm. Okay, sure. There are a few which haven't contributed here, like Nikesh. I'll send you a list.
Okay. Sounds great. Or feel free to update that page directly yourself if that's easier too.
No, I don't have permissions. I just checked. I don't
Oh,
have an
really?
editor. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have an editor.
Let me see. What is that? All right, that's fine. I'll figure out if I can.
Yeah, you can add me. I can add it with them. Yeah.
Yeah, I should be able to add you. Yeah, there you go. You should be able to edit it now.
Probably it will take some time. I'll do it sometime later.
Okay. All right, that sounds
Yes. Just
good.
um, July 1 to 8, right?
Yeah, I think that would be ideal.
Okay. Anything else? Last page. And that's it. Okay. Nothing. Thanks, Michelle.
All right, thank you.
For your time. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.